Hey Leonard, are you okay in there?
Yeah?
Guys, why am I in here in the first place? It's a long story. And I am too in a serious mood to tell it. Oh, the days go on. Why are you always so serious? Does my face tell you why? Am I supposed to know? No! Hey guys, I'm scared. Leonard, are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Do you say anything else than yeah?
I don't know.
Oh, cool. That's good. Well, I think Leonard's okay, but we have to take drastic measures. Because you know how the white rhinos are almost going extinct? Scientists are going and dehorning them. It's the only way they can save white rhinos from extinction. Because then the poachers won't kill them for their horns. It's pretty drastic, but it needs to be done. Wait, I have an idea. Let's call in our leader. Sounds good enough. Leader, where are you? Leader. Hey guys, how are you? You have another problem on your hands, I'm guessing. That does not look like our leader the last time I met her. She did not have a shirt and she was not bouncing on a creepy dude. Yeah, it's my only way of being a realtor.
Yeah, I'm pretty
It's
sure
a better way because my legs are very tired from walking around.
I'm pretty sure that's all, guys. I'm pretty sure that's all.
Yeah, it is me, Lady Lika, your leader. I got a new job as a realtor, so I got this shirt and this thing.
Didn't you guys see the text? She texted you all.
How do you even know that stuff? How?
Because I sneak on you guys' phone every day.
I don't have a line for that. Well, guys, it's pretty fun just bouncing on this weirdo all day, so I'm not a weirdo. Ah! You bounce on it and stuff like that, but okay, what is the real reason I'm here, and why is all this stuff in the way? Like, did you guys ever hear of spring cleaning? Actually, no. I'll help. I just need to come through here. So, is this all Star Baby stuff?
Yes.
Oh yes, I love Star Babies. I used to work there too. I had a lot of jobs in my day. I mean, I was the first person who ever got here, so shouldn't I know? I'll just dump that over. I mean, who cares? We care. That's important stuff. If you knew, you'd know. Why are you acting so weird? Oh,
Because you
it's a
woke
long
up
story.
I thought you woke up.
No. And why do you keep spying on my husband? That's really creepy, okay?
Because he knows where the ghost is. You told him.
Yeah, let's keep Leonard in there. I think he's still being possessed. Do you know anything about the ghost? That evil ghost lord who rolls Zozo? Keep him in there, keep him staying. I'll put an extra protector on so he can't move. Do you know anything about the ghost lord, and how he rolls that guy named Zozo? Well, I've only told my husband, but I know everything. But I keep it a secret because if people know I know a lot of things, I'm afraid they'll, capture somebody that I love for information. So, I keep it to myself mostly. Well, do you know anything about him? You just want to know. We'll keep it a secret. I mean, we are scientists. Okay, well, I do. You already know his story because when he was in Leonard, you found out. I heard that on the news. But that wasn't, well, how he hates Damien because Damien, well, they used to be friends, if probably Damien doesn't remember. But the Ghost Lord did something to Damien, and Damien got really mad at him, and he ignored him for the rest of his life. And then, well, the Ghost Lord started getting into a lot of trouble, and he was very sad because he lost his friend. So he wants revenge on Damien, and I have no idea why. Oh, I remember. Yes, he did a prank on me, and I was furious at him. So, we weren't friends anymore. And he got very mad. He's like, it was just a prank, but it was more than that. I'm a serious guy anyways. Can't get my high pitches today. Ow. Well, yes. I know the only solution that will clear Leonard forever. Oh no, what could this possibly be? We have to go into his brain and disconnect everything that leads to the Ghost Lord. That means we'll have to, well, get rid of some things in there that the Ghost Lord uses to connect to Leonard. And then Leonard will be safe for good. It's a treacherous journey, and we may need a dinosaur for help. But why? See that big guy over there? He's grown. It doesn't look like it, but he has. Let's bring him over. Hey dudes, I'm still wet. Whoa! You are bigger now. I'm as tall as this guy, so... Well, I guess he has grown more than I realized. You're bigger than me now. I mean, not meow. Me now. I never thought that was possible. Yes, and I have some news for you. You'll have to go into water at least every 1 or 2 weeks to stay your size. Sounds good to me, as long as I can stay this awesome size. Me and my friend are very happy. I'm glad, but we may need your help. Well, I think I put too many seals on that case, and we need you to break it. Alright. Oof. I don't think I can do it. I'm not that strong. I'll do it. I'll knock him out. Okay. Go into his mind. Well, we need somebody to get in his mind. Who wants to? No, I think you're a little too big. I'll go in. I am a scientist. Okay. But I may need some help. Well, I'm not going. I have to watch this guy. We have to make sure he doesn't, get up again. And I have to go inside to fix everything. Well, I guess I can't go in either. Why not? Well, I don't want to go inside, Leonard. I have important things to do. I was interrupted when you called me. Oh, sorry, but it's very important. would say my husband, but no, I couldn't let him in. He has to go through his clothes today.
Hey, guys.
Whoa! What are you doing here? He's perfect. He's a dragon, too. We need your help.
Okay.
You don't even know what it is yet. I know. Well, we need you. We are both going to go inside of Leonard and look for anything that marks the evil ghost lord or Zozo on it. Okay. We have to disconnect everything.
Okay.
We're going in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! I think we're traveling through a tube. Whoa, it's really dark over here. Let me get something.
This is...
Guys, I think I found something. This is his mind. This is Zozo on it. Must disconnect it. Okay, disconnect. Whoa, look at these cats. Whoa. Wow, everything in here has got Zozo on it. I have to clean these cats. They're adorable, though. Well, I think we've gotten rid of everything. I don't know what else.
Except we've got this tiny piece of wood.
Okay. Let's go. Well, let's go out. Hopefully, he's okay now. Hey guys, we're back. Who are you guys?
Who are you guys? Where am I?
Wait. Who are you guys? And why do you look so creepy? Uh-oh. I think we erased too many things. Everything in there had Zozo on it. Or was it an illusion? Oh no. I know what we got rid of. That tiny piece of wood. It was all his memories. You should have only gotten rid of a tiny bit of it. Whoa, I feel somebody in my head. Who's in my head? I feel like he's got spikes or something. I'm really scared, guys. What is it? And why is there a giant dinosaur in here? Dude, I'm not even giant. Oh no! There's a guy screaming, help me in there. Oh no, I know what's happening. His brain is taking him to a different world. It's like a different universe inside your head. I have to get inside your head. No, I will. Whoa! Whoa!
Pointing out on a giant cat.
Oh my gosh, who is that thing? Ooh, just hold on to him. That giant cat may save your life. Whoa! This giant cat saved my life! Whoa, you are out of his mind. I came in there.
Well, I went to a different world with a giant cat!
Yeah.
2 of them!
And now the giant cat is stuck in the world. But we don't want him anyways. He saved your life. Alright. Leonard may be saved now. Hey dudes, how you doing? The last time I remember is going into this haunted hotel. And now I'm here. What is this place anyways? We did it, guys! Woo! What did we do? Was I even involved in this? Yes, you were involved! And it was not a good involvement.
Oh, what that? Oopsie.
Hey, why did you even punch me, weirdo? Who are you anyways?
He doesn't like me!
Oh, who is that guy? Oh, remember, that's Hook Fang. Oh yeah, that's Hook Fang. He's nicer than his brother, though. The guy who punches people for a living. I definitely like that guy better. Well, can I go back now? Yeah, we don't need you, sorry. Okay.
I am the brother, by the way.
No, your other brother. You have many brothers.
Oh.
Hey, dudes. I'm still larger than you. You're almost the size of all the way to my hip. But I'm the hugest. Remember, I am Mukon, son of King Savagon. But I am not evil like him. Hello. Wow, it's dominoes. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Head slam! Whoa, I love head slams! Woo! Yeah, we've gotten rid of all giants already. So there's no way one could just come out of here, you know? Well, we saved the world. But we didn't save the world, we saved Leonard! Now we have to protect ourselves.
By the way, the only giant, the only giant we really have, is White Veil, and he is still glowing. We captured a baby giant.
Who said that? Wait, what's the baby giant? We're gonna kill it. I mean, all giants are destructive.
What was that thing?
I don't know, but it's pretty weird. Giants are weirdos. They kill people. They kill everything in their path. They need destroyed.
They just destroyed 1,500 cars.
They used to, but that baby will die. Okay, we're gonna send in a poison. Sending in poison. Sending in poison. Oh, what is that thing anyways? That's not the giant. Oh yeah, the giant. It's gone. It died. Oh my gosh. Somebody hacked in and attacked the giant.
Send the other giants over here.
Whoa, that's really creepy. Remember in spy missions where they had to kill the giant because it was attacking everyone and everything? It was pretty intense, but luckily they defeated it by hand.
Remember
It's
that
pretty
time where
intense.
the giant grabbed tons of them? Then that was awesome.
Yeah. Well, not the giant grabbing anybody.
He almost squashed us.
I know. They're so evil. Where do they even come from? Nobody knows.
I actually kind of do. It Willie says in that book.
That's a fake book. It's got myths in it.
I think they come from the underworld.
The underworld?
That's
They
not
may do.
real.
They may come
People
from...
say it's not real, but who knows? I think the underworld is Earth.
What?
We've never been to Earth either. But I think that's the underworld. Because right under us is Earth.
Yeah, nothing can live under it because it's so hot.
Yeah, it's 100. Pretend that hit a giant cat in the face.
Whoa! We just hit a giant cat in the face. I don't think we need giant cats either. They're unuseful. Whoa! It's screaming into our cameras. Here, maybe poison it too. There it goes! It's running away! Well, I guess that's it today. We saved Leonard. And, well, save the day. We have Damien and Ghost back. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. What? It's a giant dog that's even